In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to insert an image in Photoshop without a background. This is a crucial skill for graphic designers, digital artists, and anyone creating social media content. Whether you are creating a composite, a YouTube thumbnail, or a product advertisement, knowing how to isolate your subject and place it into a new design seamlessly will save you hours of frustration. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. The first method we are going to cover is the quickest way possible using the intelligent Remove Background button. Open your image in Photoshop and head over to the Layers panel. If your layer is locked, click the small padlock icon to unlock it and make it an editable layer. Now, navigate to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and select Properties. Look for the Quick Action section and simply click on Remove Background. Adobe Sensei AI will analyze the image, detect the subject, and automatically create a layer mask, instantly making the background transparent. This is incredibly efficient for simple backgrounds. Once the background is gone, select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Click and drag your cutout layer up to the tab of your other Photoshop document, hold it there for a second, then drag it down into the canvas and release. To fit it perfectly into your design, press Ctrl-T or Command-T on Mac to bring up the transform handles. You can now resize, rotate, and position the image exactly where you want it. Now, if you have a more complex image with hair or fuzzy edges, you'll want to use Method 2, which provides much better results. First, go to the top menu and click on Select and then Subject. Photoshop will create a selection around your main object. To clean up the edges, click on the Select and Mask button in the options bar. This opens a dedicated workspace. On the left, choose the Refine Edge Brush tool. Gently brush over areas like hair or fur to let Photoshop distinguish between the subject and the background. Once it looks perfect, go to the Output settings on the right. Change the Output to dropdown to Layer Mask and click OK. The background will now be transparent with much higher precision. Just like before, you can now use the Move tool to drag this high-quality cutout into your main project. Using these two methods together ensures that no matter what kind of photo you are working with, you can always insert it into a new design without any messy backgrounds. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to like and subscribe focused on more 2026 design guides. Thanks for watching.